Hi everyone. So today we are gonna see how to fold an origami water bomb. Colloquially this is also called an origami balloon, and this is something which actually is folded flat, and then there's this hole on the top where we blow in air and this pops up. So let's see how to fold it. So we start with a square sheet of paper, and then what we'll do is we'll fold it along the diagonals. So to make a water bomb, what we have to make is called a water bomb base. So firstly we fold it along one of the diagonals and then the other diagonal. Okay, now we turn this over and we fold it. So while turning back we want to fold a plus over here, so we are folding it the edges on top of each other. Similarly this one. Now you might feel like this is actually something from which we'll make the basic square. That is true. So this is a step for the basic square. But here's the fun thing. Take the basic square and just pop it, and you get the water bomb base. So the water bomb base looks like a pyramid. You can see it. Now how to make the balloon? That is actually even simpler. So there's this part which opens up. So from here there are these edges. So what we'll do is we'll take this edge and we'll put it on this half line. So once that happens, you will see that these are all exactly matched up, and this comes directly to this end point over here. We'll do this with all these four edges. So turning it back. And now for the next step, what we'll do is, see, we have got these four flaps coming up, right? So we'll take this and we'll fold it on this half line. So we take this and we fold it exactly till this half line here and crease it. And we try to make it so that this remains parallel. Okay? So we'll do this for all the four sides. And there we go. So to complete the water bomb, we have to take this open end and we will have to push it inside here. So you can see this sort of a open flap thing here. So this is the pocket and this is the socket. So we'll take the socket and push it inside the pocket. Okay, and just push fold it over there. So similarly we'll do this for all the four pockets and all the four sockets. And there you have it. So this is a water bomb. Now you can see that here on the top, because of the folds, there's this hole which still remains. And what we just have to do is we have to just blow in some air. And you get your water bomb. See you next time. Happy folding.